Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix text notification not working issue on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, if you are dealing with notification issue, it can be frustrating and tricky. But guys, we will try to get those notifications back in action. Since you are mentioning iOS 17, let's roll with it. You have to do is simply first of all check do not disturb. Make sure do not disturb is not enabled. To do this, you have to open your control center and you see if moonlight option is highlighted, then you have to do is disable it. Guys, if this doesn't work, then you have to do is check mute switch. If your iPhone has a physical mute switch on the side, make sure it's not set to mute, or you can open your settings, open your sound and haptics, and you can see your option silent mode. If it's unable, then you have to disable it. If this doesn't work, then you have to do is check your volume settings. Confirm that the volume on your iPhone is turned up. You can check this by going to your sound and haptics, and from here you can set it to high. After trying these and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. A classic move but often effective. Restart your iPhone to refresh its settings. You have to open your general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is check for iOS update. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 17. You have to open your software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is like this, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. Now I have to do is simply tap on update now and update my iPhone now, or simply I can update it tonight. So guys, if this also doesn't work and you're still facing the issue again and again, then you have to do is simply reset your all settings. You can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. This won't delete your data, but it will reset system settings to their default. To do this, you have to open your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.